All right, this is my website. This is the home page, Marcus's business account. Welcome to my website. You will learn about fashion, a little bit of music. Please enjoy. It's a little bit of everything almost. This is the tech blog right here, talking about wiki and whatnot. This is the contact information. This is the biography on me. My name is Marcus Sullivan. I'm a sociology major, senior LSU, yada, yada, yada. Just want to be successful, and this is just a little bit about myself. This is the resource page, different links, shows a little bit of everything, and then different TED Talks that we had to put on there as well. This is my personal favorites page with Digo and whatnot, and just talks about everything I like out of them. This is a technology project section, digital scavenger hunt right here. Things that can help you, things that keep you in trend for fashion. Just a little bit about that, a little bit more slides. On the thematic slideshow for a folio of work based on central theme chosen by the candidate. This is my digital story right here. It's about Kanye West. Right. This is the mobile app. I had to do Ink. It was very cool. I enjoyed it a lot. These are my PLN and my PLEs. If you click on these, each one will show you the PLN 1, 2, and 3 that we had to do. It's all hyperlinked. And this is the website evaluation. Click on that, I give you my whole evaluation on it. This is my Apple Teacher certificate and my Apple Teacher certificate of recognition when I did it. And this is where screencast is going to go. I enjoyed the class a lot. I love you. Ms. Debbie, you're amazing. And good luck with everything in life.